Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is made possible by a cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. Additional funding provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, dedicated to strengthening America's future through education. And by
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids. Helping kids discover that families and fun go hand in hand. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Sometimes big dreams start small, with a foundation that will last a lifetime. Read to your child 15 minutes a day and inspire them to dream big. Shea Homes, caring since 1881.
Never run out again. The Subscribe and Save program from Amazon Grocery. Proud to be helping PBS families.
Do you know what? Sunlight travels 93 million miles to ripen and dry the fruits we need to grow strong and healthy bodies. I thought you'd be curious about that. Sunmade proudly supports PBS Kids.
additional funding provided by the National Endowment for Children's Educational Television and the National Endowment for the Humanities, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.